Speak Up English, the key to success.
Emma, have you ever had that daydream where you just quit your job and pursue something wild and adventurous?
Oh, absolutely, Alex. It's like a movie plot where I walk into the office, throw my resignation letter in the air, and walk out to live life on my own terms.
Haha, that's a dramatic exit. But seriously, sometimes work can feel like a never-ending treadmill. Have you ever felt stuck in a job?
Oh, for sure, Alex. It's like being in quicksand. The more you struggle, the deeper you sink. But quitting isn't always the solution, right?
Emma. Quitting is like jumping out of the frying pan into the fire. You need a plan. But have you ever met someone who quit their job and pursued their passion?
Absolutely, Alex. It's like meeting a phoenix rising from the ashes. I knew this guy who left a 9-to-5 job to become a professional rock climber.
Wow, that's quite the career change, Emma. From a cubicle to scaling cliffs. But isn't there a financial risk in quitting a stable job?
Oh, definitely, Alex. Quitting is like jumping off a financial diving board. You need a safety net, like savings or a side gig.
Haha, a safety net indeed. But have you ever heard of someone quitting and regretting it?
Yes, Alex. It's like a cautionary tale. I knew this woman who quit to travel but ended up missing the stability and structure of her old job.
That's the flip side, Emma. Quitting doesn't always lead to rainbows and butterflies. It's like stepping into the unknown.
Exactly, Alex. And you know, there's this saying, don't quit your day job. But what if your day job is making you miserable?
That's a great point, Emma. It's like telling someone to stay in a sinking ship. Sometimes, quitting is the only way to save yourself.
Haha, a sinking ship. Well, Alex, what's the wildest thing you'd do if you quit your job tomorrow?
Oh, Emma, I'd probably buy a one-way ticket to some remote island and live like a castaway for a while. How about you?
Haha, a castaway adventure. I'd start an organic farm in the countryside, surrounded by nature. It's like quitting the concrete jungle for a green one.
That sounds amazing, Emma. It's like trading office meetings for meetings with sunflowers. Well, this conversation about quitting has been quite an adventure.
It really has, Alex. Whether you're daydreaming about quitting or actually planning it, remember, it's your story to write.
Well said, Emma. To all the dreamers out there, may your leaps be daring, your safety nets secure, and your journeys unforgettable. Part 2. Emma, while quitting your job might sound liberating, it's also a major life decision. Have you ever thought about the steps to take if you were to quit?
Absolutely, Alex. Quitting is like setting sail on a voyage. You need to chart your course. One important step is having a financial cushion like a lifeboat in case things get tough.
Ha, a lifeboat. That's a good analogy, Emma. And, it's also about having a clear destination. Have you ever considered what you'd do after quitting?
Oh, for sure, Alex. It's like planning a cross-country road trip. You need to know where you're heading. Whether it's starting your own business, traveling, or going back to school, having a goal is crucial.
That's spot on, Emma. Quitting without a plan is like wandering in the wilderness. It can be exciting, but also risky. And what about building new skills?
That's a great point, Alex. Quitting can be an opportunity for growth. It's like upgrading your armor in a video game. Learn new skills, take courses, and adapt to the challenges ahead.
Leveling up. I like that. And sometimes it's also about building a support network. Have you ever leaned on friends or mentors for advice when considering a big change?
Oh, absolutely, Alex. Quitting can be like standing at a crossroads. Talking to someone who's been there is like having a signpost. Their experience can guide you.
That's wise, Emma. Seeking guidance from those who've walked the path can save you from pitfalls. And what about fear? Have you ever felt fear about quitting?
Of course, Alex. Fear is like a shadow that follows you. But it's also like a compass. It can guide you toward what truly matters. Embrace the fear, but don't let it paralyze you.
Embracing the fear, that's a powerful mindset, Emma. And, for some, quitting can also be a chance to reinvent themselves. Have you ever seen someone transform their life after quitting?
Absolutely, Alex. Quitting can be like a phoenix rising from the ashes. I knew someone who left a corporate job to become an artist. It's like discovering a new identity.
Wow, that's a remarkable transformation, Emma. Quitting can indeed be the doorway to self-discovery. So, what's your message to anyone considering quitting their job?
I'd say, be prepared, be courageous, and remember, quitting can be like closing one door to open another. It's your journey, and you're the author of your story.
Well said, Emma. To all the dreamers and adventurers out there, may your leaps be bold, your preparations thorough, and your destinations extraordinary.